Hello, I'm Bex with Black Whisper Crafts. Welcome to the courtyard of our motel. It's really nice out here. This is also the pool area, so the pool is obviously closed, so you'll just have to ignore all of that. But I think it's really pretty. Look at the trees. And our window does face out to this, but I just wanted to come out and show how nice it is. I love all these crunching leaves. Oh, there's a bunny. There's a bunny took off. Didn't mean to startle them. Love the sound of the crunching leaves under your feet. It's so awesome. So awesome. I am in Louisville, Colorado. And we are here visiting our sons, Barrick and his wife Ashley, and Cole, my youngest son. My oldest is Barrick, his wife is Ashley, and their youngest son is Cole. Isn't this so pretty? This is the courtyard. So nice. Just gonna take a stroll down through here with you. Really nice courtyard. It's quite a nice walk too after you've had your breakfast. Really good coffee. Oh my, I'm definitely a coffee drinker. Especially amazing when you don't have to pay oodles and doodles of dollars for a cup of coffee. It just comes with your room and it's good. Yummy good. Really nice courtyard. Just popping around to show it's so pretty. Oh, just love it. All the evergreen, and I'm not sure what these are, but they're pretty. It's all pretty, even winter. The sun is bright and shiny. We're having unseasonably warm weather here. So glad I brought shorts. Never dreamed I'd be wearing shorts in Colorado. Such a pretty tree. Oh my goodness. Just love all of this. Look at the courtyards. There, somewhere to sit. Beautiful, the sunlight coming through those trees. They're just starting to turn. Hopefully today we'll get some autumn colorations in the trees. It's just gorgeous. I saw some really deep burgundies yesterday. Oh, so amazing. Here we go. So beautiful. Just love it. I'm not going to walk on the grass because it is wet. It's a 3-story motel. Ooh, look at the, I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of evergreen. Really beautiful. It's just beautiful being out in nature in the middle of a motel. That gorgeous tree. Gorgeous. We get back over here and we'll do a whole panoramic view. So beautiful. Thank you for watching. I'm Bex with Black Whisper Crafts. Enjoy your wonderful day.